I found him in a little park, and he's sitting down with this woman that I don't know. I came out from there from behind them. Good morning. I just thought I will record this, guys. I would say good morning to you while I'm in bed with my cat, because this is always happen every morning, that he's always is sleeping with me. Yeah, this is him under the blanket, and he loves it. He doesn't like it when I'm talking. He never do this to his dad, only to me. You know why he's doing this, guys? Because when he's very little, when he was a little kitten, like very little, I'm always carry him wherever I go to protect from dimples, and I always protect him, and he's always beside me all the time. So now when he's bigger, he's always with me. It's the sweetest, you know. It's the sweetest thing. Like, I never thought that a cat, you know, would be close to me. Why you turn your face away from mama? Because I make noises? Hmm? Hubs? 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 I love you, baby. I love you, Hubsy. I'm going downstairs that I can feed them and I can feed myself. When we went to Asian store, my husband got this. See what it says. Han, what is this? Why you get this one? Did you find some word here that you can understand? It's a Chinese I can't understand. I hope there's a transaction. It's like I think you put this in the hot water. There's no smell in it. There's nothing. And Sammy also got this one. I don't know, it's a weird candy. It's a only I can see the letter here is CA. Look, I don't know what is this, but I can see nuts and a dried fish. It says candy. I don't know. I think it's candy. Misty. And a Korean red ginseng candy. It's a ginseng candy. This one here. This other one here. With its saya lightly salted. My husband said he will do the other one with the dried fish.
I will not. What are you videotaping?
Okay, now what are you doing? You're giving turkey to the dog.
Cat.
And to the cat. And of course, Hubs is already behind you. And Roxy, get down. Oh my God, she's leaking and she do like this. Her tongue is like out. All out.
Yeah, imagine it.
Yeah, that's a shop right back. Good morning! We're in the car, guys. We dropped my mother-in-law to the dialysis, and then we come here to Stop and Shop before my shop right before my husband go to work. Of course, he's going to work, and we pick up something for him to bring to work, and then we pick up also something for the house because we need egg. And what's this woman? This woman. She have a nice hair. I like a hair color. But anyway, guys, it's just like I'm so not good today. My hair, I'm so like mid shower. And as you notice, I don't have my sweater on because it's nice today. This is a weird winter ever. And my husband got the one that I got for him, the denim. Get this from Walmart. Walmart have a nice thing for my husband because we usually get a lot of nice, you know, pajama, nice pants for him and tops. Oh, tops, sweater, t-shirt. So
T-shirts. I don't wear
this is t-shirt, huh?
Not a t-shirt.
Oh, so what is this then?
What you got on is a t-shirt.
Okay. Oh, okay. The one that I got is t-shirt, and this one is
Button-down shirt.
button-down shirt. Okay, whatever. It's the same thing.
It's not. T-shirt is considered an undershirt. It's a white, you know, like a white undershirt, but they come in colors. And
Hi guys, I'm done driving. I just drive around and then I do parallel. Oh my god, even I'm shaking because before driving, me and my sister-in-law is running with the dog, so my leg is shaky. So I did that, and now my husband is driving. We're going to order something because my special sister-in-law is home. So we're gonna order some pidipitich.
Zupa de pesh.
Huh?
Zupa de pesh.
Soba de pitch. It's Italian, guys.
Zupa de pesh.
Zupa the pitch. Okay, guys? Zupa the fish.
Not Zupa the fish. Not Zorba the Great.
Yeah, guys, we're just like, oh my god,
Not,
you don't.
not New Zoo Review.
What do you think about my parallel, honey? Some of my parallel. Huh?
You did good.
My husband is half Italian, half Puerto Rican, half. It's not really all half because I think your mother is mix of something, or your father. Your mother? Oh my god, your mother is a mutt. I think half Italian, but the other half, the 50% is mixed with
Welsh.
Welsh and mixed with, it's 25, okay, 50% Italian, 25% Puerto Rican, 25% Welsh. So he is an Italian, Puerto Rican, Welsh. So how do you call that in one word?
Mud.
But so we get this. I don't know what is this on top, hon. What is this?
Filet mignon.
Filet mignon, whatever.
With mushrooms and brown
With
sauce.
mushroom and something. This is string beans with cheese. No, it's not cheese. String beans and potato something. Pasta. Oops. This is bread, garlic bread, and pasta. There's a lot of pasta here. Oh, this is not a pasta.
Eggplant one.
Eggplant parmesan. And this one right here, it's a big container, guys. This under here,
Not a big one, it's two small ones.
it's too small one. It's so, zippa the piste.
Zupa de pesh.
Whatever. I have to hold it properly because
I need a jump start here.
huh? I have pain over here, guys. Do you have that feeling too, guys, when you can't breathe hard? Because if you breathe hard, you have to breathe very like quick, easy. Because if you breathe hard, the pain under your ribs, it hurt. Do you feel that sometimes, huh?
I get pains everywhere.
Oh, I have to tell you some story, guys. Every morning I have this dream. Two nights already, constant. The first dream that I have, it's everything is about my husband. Like, first thing, what is the first thing, honey? You remember?
You're also weird.
It's weird.
Honey bunny things.
Honey bunny, like somebody called him in my dream. Okay, somebody called him, and he ran to the kitchen with his mother. He ran and talking. He said, "Honey bunny, like I love you, honey bunny. Bye, honey bunny." That's what I keep like, honey, like honey bunny, like. And then I go run to him, and then I like freak out, like, you know, when the woman, you know, when your husband's cheated on you, like you go freaking out, like what the frick, like that. And then and then I woke up, and then my heart is hurting so bad. That's how I like. Sometimes, you know, you don't have any idea, guys. Sometimes I cry. And then I run downstairs. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. He's supposedly working early that time. It's Wednesday. I ran downstairs and told him, who is Honey Bunny? Like, I said, who is Honey Bunny? And then he just pissed.
Really mad and hit me and yeah.
Nah, I'm not mad, hon. I just ask you. And last night, my dream is so weird. I'm spying him. I'm spying him, guys. Like, spying, like, follow him, like that, wherever he's going somewhere, and I follow him. And I found him in a little park, and he's sitting down with this woman that I don't know. I came out from behind them, and I go run, and then I confront the woman. Quick, I said, "He's my husband," and I said, "I'm the sixth wife." He's the wife, his sixth wife, like a six. He get married for like six, and then he's the sixth wife. And I said, I'm thinking, then I have to like, I like in my dream, like I'm so violent like that, like because like
in your dream.
because only in the dream, guys. Because and then after that, I go downstairs because he's downstairs again early in the morning, because that's what my husband is always early in the morning go to. And then I told him, "Hon, who am I your seventh wife?" And it makes me crazy, guys, because his answer, "How do you know you're seven?" He said, "How do you know you're seven? Maybe you're 8, maybe you're 20, maybe you're 50." My God, it's like freak me out. It's like, oh my God, piss me off. Okay, that's it, guys. That's my dream, and it's crazy. Okay, guys.
Just go watch some.
I'm telling you some, but not many. I just told you about the Rhode Island one and the...
Hi, guys. Good evening. It is 8:30 already, and I'm done editing. I'm done uploading. So tomorrow it's more. What is that noise? Is that you? What are you doing, Misty? What are you doing, huh? Don't do business over there before daddy can punish you again. Okay, anyway, guys. So, yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. We're gonna go to bed soon. My husband is watching a. What are you watching, Han? Yeah, he's watching Big Bang Theory, and now I think it's done now. So I guess we're going up now. So anyway, guys, good night. I will see you in my next video. Good night. Bye. Pahabol video, guys. Hi to I've been talking today to I've been talking to, hold on, to Jean G Batestil. Hi. Nice talking to you. And I am talking also today with Selro is Porcadelia. Hi, sir. I don't know if that's your name, Selro. Is that your name, Selro? Is Porcadelia? Hi. Nice talking to you.